tasked with hosting Friendsgiving this year and are already feeling overwhelmed with the menu, I want you to take out your phone, open the Notes app, and pay attention because we've got you covered.
Well, Kwani, Robyn has us covered.
Yes, that's true, not us.
She's the founder of Boards for Days, and with all of your boards, you can make them allergy-friendly.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And we all have that friend.
Everyone has allergies.
Yes.
It's all of us.
Yes.
So, Robyn, these are always so beautiful.
Thank you.
When it comes to this time of year, how do you get creative with them?
Yeah. So for us, we really try to think of what are you eating, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have so many people coming over for the holidays. How can we make something that is visually appealing, but also tastes good as well and is safe for everyone to eat? So we always start with our classic charcuterie board, but you may kind of notice that there's no meat on this one, right? Mm-hmm. Or nuts. So those are kind of some of the biggest items we see right now are the nut allergies, the gluten allergies, and vegetarians. So we make this beautiful, still stunning, delicious, but we're taking those little easy precautions. So right now we have all our nuts on the side. They still look beautiful.
Yeah.
We have our meat on the side as
still
well.
Complementing
and
the
it's
big
still
board.
Exactly, complementing the big board and looks stunning as well. And then over here we call it a carb board, right? So it's all of our gluten over here. So that way again, there's no chance for cross-contamination. And just add some greenery, some apricots, and it adds a beautiful little pop of color. You want to make it
so
all
you can
gluten-free.
still kind of stack your plate.
Exactly. Yeah. So that way now people can kind of come in, grab their cheese, grab their meat, grab their nuts if they can, and their gluten. They still have a cohesive charcuterie board to snack on. But it's now really kind of safe for everyone, especially if the kids are trying to dive into the cheese. And of course, most kids I feel like these days have nut allergies.
I'd like to continue to true. What are some other trends that you've seen with those?
Yeah. So I feel like with the trends, people are definitely going more in the allergy section, right? I haven't had a client who doesn't have an allergy, I feel like most recently. So a lot of people also will keep that variety in mind. So some people may order a classic charcuterie board, which still has maybe the meat and nuts, but they want to make sure that they're offering something else different. So over here, we have our crudité board. So it's always just a fan favorite. Add your favorite spread in the middle, as long as it's obviously allergy friendly. So right now we have a hummus, and then just add some beautiful bright colored vegetables all around it. Now over here, it's vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly. The kids will probably eat some of it because of the rainbow carrots, right?
I was just going to say,
love
you
that.
make it look that I feel like you can eat with your eyes.
Exactly, it really is. Yes, we're humans. We eat with our eyes. That's what we say all the time.
And I love, you mentioned before too, that putting the crackers and the gluten and the carb plate separate also keeps them from getting soggy.
Exactly.
Because if you have something out all day, it's
going to absorb all the moisture from all the fresh fruits and the cheeses, and no one wants to eat a soggy cracker.
That's true.
No one
Before we let you go, you have some tips and tricks for people that are going shopping for their allergy list. What are those?
Yes. So we always say keep a nice variety. So cheese, meats, keep them separate, easy peasy, right? Get creative. So when you're trying to think of everything, right, think of, don't stress yourself out. I know the holidays are stressful enough, but try to put your creative hat on. And honestly, if you can't, contact your local charcuterie company or cheese shop. They would be more than happy to, make something for you. And then also just keep all your high allergy items on the side, exactly like you see here. Keep your gluten off your plate. Keep your nuts off your plate. And, if you do have a lot of vegetarians coming, just keep the meat off your plate too. It just makes everything so much easier for you and your guests coming.
This is a courtesy.
Exactly.
And you know what? There's going to be someone at your party that they're going to be so appreciative. They might not tell you. They just typically will avoid it. And now that they feel...
They can come and eat, especially if you're drinking. You always want to make sure that you had a nice space of food in your belly too.
Absolutely. Before we go,
always looking out.
You really are. Her info is below. Follow her on Instagram. Follow her website. Thank you for the good tips every time you come in.
Thank you so much for coming.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
All right, guys.